Paver Restoration 352-282-2886. After we have wet sanded and dry sanded, we go through and blow off all the pavers, blow off the rails, sliding door tracks, everywhere sand may have set after drying. We go through in the middle point, go through and blow it again, and right before we seal, we blow everything. We don't seal until the pavers are dry. We don't seal when they're wet, so we're able to get all the sand off. The only thing that may remain is any sand that may have been sealed previously on your pavers. That's not going to come off with